Hello ladies, as we all know that Valentine Day is coming next week and obviously we all want to look good for our partners. So today I'm going to share a very minimal makeup look with you that I'm wearing right now, which is bold but yet subtle. The best thing about this look is that it will hardly take you 10 to 12 minutes to get ready and will save your partner from waiting for long. Let's get started. So the first step is to moisturize your face. You can use your any favorite moisturizer. Here I am using Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream. As you can see, the texture of this cream is very slimy. I am gently applying a proper amount of the cream on my face, avoiding the eye and mouth area. Now I am tapping the area where the cream was applied gently in order for it to absorb along the skin texture. I really like this moisturizer as it nourishes my skin. Next I am applying strobe cream from MAC. I really recommend you to use this as it adds the softest glow to your skin, whether you are in the sunlight or in the spotlight. I am applying good amount of this cream especially to my high area using my fingertips. Then I am using Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation from MAC in the shade NC42. First I am placing the required amount of foundation to all over my face using my fingertips, and then I am blending the placed foundation with the help of the sponge. I really like using the sponge to apply my foundation or concealer as it removes the excess product from my face. Next I am applying Pro Longwear Concealer from MAC in the shade NC35. This is a lightweight, liquid, long-lasting concealer with a comfortable matte finish. I really love this concealer as it gives a smoother and flawless look to my skin. This concealer will give you the full coverage, but I personally don't like wearing very heavy layers on my face. So I have applied very little amount of this concealer in my under eye area first with the help of my fingers, and then I am using the sponge to give it a nice finish. After that I am using loose setting powder from Laura Mercier to set up my concealer with the help of the brush. Next I am using Studio Fix Contour Palette from MAC to contour my face. This palette has 6 shades to use for medium to dark skin. Then I am using Super Brow Cream from PAC Cosmetics. It comes with a small angle brow brush, so it's easier to apply. You can see the difference that it creates. Next I am using Brush Stroke 24-hour eyeliner from MAC. It's really easy to use. I am playing with this a little bit to apply a perfect wing eyeliner. This eyeliner is really smudge free and long lasting. I am using this for quite some time and it's absolutely my favorite. Then I am using Bold Kajal from Nykaa to apply kajal on my lower eyelid. This really defines my eyes and giving it required bold look. Next, I am using Extra Sculpt Volume Mascara from Kiko. This mascara will add the extra volume to your eyelashes. If you want, you can use false eyelashes for this look, but I personally prefer not to use it as I love to keep my makeup subtle and clean. Then I am applying blush in the shade Blush Please from MAC. I love this blush as you can just adjust the pigmentation as per your requirement. I don't really like it when the blush is completely visible on my face, so I try to use the small amount of blush to keep it natural. After that, I am using a lip liner to shape my lips before applying lipstick. I am using All Day Matte Lipstick by Nykaa in the shade Boss Babe. This shade really complements my skin tone and it's very lightweight to wear all day. So ladies, this is my completed look. I hope that you really like this simple and clean look. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you honestly enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this look with your friends. For my upcoming videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Bye and take care.